Figure of speech. We use so many phrases or words to make the language beautiful, impressive, and effective. The use of such impressive words or phrases in the language are called figure of speech. A figure of speech is the expression of our thoughts and feelings in a different way from the ordinary mode in order to give greater effect to our expression. Figure of speech are used more in literature, particularly in poetry. Kinds of figure of speech. There are many figures of speech. Now we shall study some of them, particularly simile and metaphor. Simile. What is a simile? In a simile, a comparison is made between two different kinds which have one common characteristics. The simile is usually introduced by such words as like, as, or so. Look at these two scenes. Here, both are running. Cheetah as well as Roshan. They both are running. They are different, but they have one common factor or characteristics, that is running. Cheetah is well known for its running. Here is a comparison between Roshan and Cheetah. Roshan is running like Cheetah, or Roshan is running as fast as Cheetah. So, we use in these sentences the figure of speech, that is simile. Simile is actually way of comparing two things using the words like as, like, or so. Look at the other examples. Brothers fought like cats and dogs. Here is a comparison between brothers and cats and dogs. Here the word used lie to compare two actions. Lakshman is tall like a giraffe. Here the word like is used to compare Lakshman and giraffe. They both are tall. Suma was as busy as a bee. Here is a comparison between Suma and bee. They both are busy. Here used as to compare two actions. Mohan is as cunning as a fox. Fox is a cunning animal. Here is a comparison between Mohan and fox. The word as is used to compare their behavior. Ramya sang like a nightingale. Here is a comparison between their singing. The word like is used to compare their singing. Her face was bright like a rose. Comparison between her face and a rose. Like is used to compare these two. She was ready to scratch like a monkey. In this simile, word like is used to compare. Life is like a dream. Here is a comparison between life and dream. Like is used to compare these two. His life is like an open book. Here is a comparison between his life and an open book. Like is used to compare. She is as timid as a rabbit. Here is a comparison between she and a rabbit. As is used to compare she and a rabbit. Some more examples. As cool as a cucumber. She is as proud as a peacock. This is as tough as leather. He is as good as gold. The book is as old as the hills. She is as bold as brass. She is as brave as a lion. As a ship is used for crossing the ocean, so the camel is used for crossing the desert. So is used to compare ship and the camel. She looks like a fish out of water. Some more examples of similes using as. It was as big as an elephant. She was as shy as a fox. It's as clear as day. Her hair is as black as night. This bag is as heavy as lead. That knife is as sharp as a razor. He is as sharp as a needle. She is as cold as ice. The car is as clean as a vessel. It is as dry as a bone out there. It is as tough as an old boot. He is as sick as a dog. It is as easy as pie. Some more examples of simile using like. He slept like a log. It was soft like velvet. Her eyes shone like diamonds. It moves like a snail. He eats like a pig. It cuts like butter. Life is like a box of chocolates. The airplane soared like an angel. We are like two peas in a pod. He slept like a baby. The girl was sweet like sugar. The shark had teeth like razors. He ran like lightning. He leaked like a sieve. My dear ideal student, I hope you have learnt the figure of speech simile. Soon I will bring video lesson on metaphor. Till then, see you. Bye.